There's no end to the UK's strike wars in Christmas and over the New Year season. In the latest, nearly 100,000 nurses in England, Wales and Northern Ireland are to go on a day-long strike today. It's their second strike in a week. It comes as health workers demand an inflation-busting pay increase to make up for years of real-term salary cuts. The health workers also claim that due to the low salaries, many are quitting the profession, leaving it severely understaffed and overworked, and also compromising the quality of care offered to patients. Nurses staged their biggest ever strike in the history of the NHS last week. Nearly 10,000 staff were absent on Thursday and 16,000 appointments and surgeries had to be rescheduled in England alone. Tuesday's 12-hour walkout, which starts at 8 o'clock GMT, could cause similar disruption, although services such as urgent cancer care will continue. The season of strikes doesn't stop there. Ambulance workers, including paramedics and call handlers, are set to strike on Wednesday, while a second such walkout is scheduled for December 28th. A bigger healthcare crisis looms. The government maintains the nurses' demands are unaffordable and that the recommendations of an independent pay review body in setting wages have been followed. Well, for more on this, our correspondent Alex Isaac has sent us this report from London. Well, Alex is joining us live. Alex Isaac, our correspondent from London. Alex, strikes by workers to come up in the British Parliament today. Tell us more.
Absolutely. So we should see Rishi Sunak's debut there for the liaison committee, and it is likely that not just the strikes but also the cost of living itself will come up. What exactly is he planning to do and what his priorities are? These strikes have decimated a lot of the workforces, especially this week, ongoing until the Christmas weekend. We're going to be seeing strike after strike. There is conversations today as well, though, with ministers, with GMB, with Unite and Unison about the ambulance workers and whether or not the military will be stepping in. We hear that constantly, that they're going to be coming in 1,200 military personnel and another 1,000 workers for civil service. But there is still a very small window of opportunity there to discuss with those Unite, GMB and Unison unions that potentially the ambulance strike won't go ahead tomorrow. It's a very small window, but ultimately everybody wants to talk pay, and Rishi Sunak will be questioned heavily, no doubt, this afternoon when he faces that committee later.
Alex Isaac, many thanks for now.